Everyone, we're going to go to the old front entrance of the old building, and we're going to walk up the steps that way. So please follow me. This is the original building, built in the 1920s.
It's pretty impressive that we get to walk this exact pathway that Ms. Randolph walked in setting up this whole building and school and the educational philosophy that she inspires.
The auditorium space that we're renovating, this was built in the 1920s. It's almost 100 years old. This will be part of the Family and Community Engagement Program.
Our students, they require love, and we know that, and we have to build relationships with them. So we give a little, they give a little, and we all work together.
Our adapted, our autism classroom students are anywhere from kindergarten through 12th grade, or really through 21 inclusive. So we do have some high school students here. But that's really exciting. We haven't historically had our elementary autism classroom for the last couple of years in a comprehensive school, but we were able to have it staffed here.
Welcome to the A Center. We renovated the existing part, and you can see where the low ceiling is. That's the old part. And we put a brand new addition on with the new main entrance, new office, cosmetology and barbering, our brand new labs over here.
The kids here learned, as everything we've always done, the building itself becomes the learning tool where our students learn in.
We've got motorsports over here, we've got machining and fabrication here, we've also got welding here. So we all work together, we all have welding in all of our competencies.
What a labor of love and care this has been for many, many years to design programs that are unique and make a difference for the kids that we're serving. And so we've been able to accomplish that. We're really close to the finish line, and we're proud to show it off.